Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Vishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. A special mention to social introvert subscriber who has given me lovely comment from Canada. I'm very happy that I'm connecting to all over the world. I will really try to post frequent videos. I'm also planning to give few free readings on Sunday, 7th March 2021 at 11:30 a.m. So do join me on that day. Let's do a general collective reading for sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is a straight up reading what you need to know about your current situation. So it includes problems you are facing, the lies you believe in, true facts and solution with advice and current energy surrounding you. So I have already shuffled the cards. Before that, it's a general reading. Please remember that this is a general collective reading, so it may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. So I've already shuffled the cards. Let's get into the reading. So Aquarius, here you have all tied up, door to personal healing and happiness, and here you have action. Bottom of the deck is yin and yang. So I think you are stuck. You had been hurt in past, so you are not taking any action. You just feel like you are all tied up and you cannot take action. That is what you think. But if you heal, the door is opening to happiness. That is where you are standing now. Yin and yang is a person making a decision regarding what what can be done with these cards. So what are your current energies are strength, judgment, and six of cups. I think you are holding back from some past memories. See, holding back from past memories, I guess. Yeah, where you have to make a decision regarding that. It might be a long term relationship also. So you are stuck on the happiness and the time you spend with the past person. I can see sign are Leo. You might be dealing with a Leo. Let's talk about signs first. Okay, so you might be dealing with Leo. Star is there. Chariot is there. So star is Aquarius. Chariot is Cancer. Moon is Pisces. So check where you get into it. It might be in your chart or your partner's chart or wherever you are dealing with the people. They might have these signs in their chart. So, so what is the problem? The problem is that the star, Knight of Cup, and Seven of Pentacles. I think someone is waiting on you to offer them a cup. I mean, like someone is waiting. This you might be dealing with a Aquarius, or you yourself are showing in this reading. You might be healing from the past hurt of this person. So you are waiting from them to get an offer. That is what I can see. So, what is the lie in this situation? King of Cup, Chariot, and Four of Cup. It's a lie that if you offer your cup, if you come forward and offer this cup to this person, they might reject you. That's a lie. That is what the lie is there in your head. That if you offer your cup to this person, they will not accept it. So, what is the truth in the matter? Okay. Queen of Wands, Queen of Cup, and King of Pentacles. Here I can see that the truth is that you or your person is ready for stability. But either you are having two people in your life, one past and one new, or it can be you yourself also. Yeah, you are looking after your own self and you're not offering your cup to anyone. So this new person, and this is a past person, but you feel lot of love towards this past person. You're thinking to make a decision between the both. See, you can see here also, you find both of them are totally opposite people, like yin and yang are totally black and white. Yeah, here you can see. So you find both the people totally different, but you want to take action towards the past person because you're feeling lot of love towards them. You think they should offer you this cup of love, but they are not coming forward and you're waiting for them, and you feel that if you take action they won't accept your cup. So here the truth is that you're waiting to make a choice between both of them. That is why judgment is here. Judgment is choice. You have to make a decision between two people. Either you have to make a decision, either they, one of your person has two people in their life where they have to take a decision. So what is the solution? The solution is moon, lovers, and eight of wands. Either you both people are your past person is staying away from you and you don't know what is going on between them, and you want a quick movement between you both because you think that this past person is your lover, they are a perfect match for you, that is what you think. But you are in lot of fear, if you send a message what will happen. So the solution is that you should send a message to this lover and see, this confusion will go off, what is going to happen. Don't feel tied up. If you have hurt them, don't feel tied up because of the past things happened between both of you. You need to take a step forward. Don't believe that they will reject you as you are feeling it here. Don't feel that way. You just come out of your illusion, offer this love through messages, through online, or go travel, see them. So this was it. And now let's see what is advice for you. What is advice for you? Advice for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. So this is an inner conflict I can see if you are having two partners for love choice. See, advice cards are Five of Wands. Oh, look, advice is that the Hermit, Five of Wands, Three of Swords, Queen of Wands, Ten of Swords, and Seven of Swords. I think the advice is that with this Queen of Wands, the new person, there is lot of dirty mind games played with you. They have backstabbed you, they have broken your heart, and there is lot of competition and drama because of this new person. So the advice is that you should go inside. Hermit card is go inside and think, heal yourself. That is what it is. Heal yourself. Just heal yourself and then move forward with your this past person. Don't wait for their offer to come so that you can open this door to personal healing and happiness door. You can overcome this. I hope you like this reading. I hope it will help you in some extent. If this reading has helped you in understand your current situation in some extent, please do like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.